Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I wanted to do like a brief, pretty much like a small review of the Morphe Sunset Beats eyeshadow palette. It recently came to Ulta and I picked it up for like $15 because I had a coupon. And anyway, I basically created 3 looks for this palette, and I would be inserting those video clips after I discuss a little bit of what I think. And if you want to continue watching for that, then keep doing so. And so this is one of the newest 18 pan eyeshadow palettes from Morphe, and this is like a sunset based theme, and I absolutely really love it. This is the eye look that I came up with for day 3, and based on the few days I've been using this palette, I could say a couple of shades are a little bit lackluster. And what I mean by that is the shimmers. I don't think there's so much metallicness that I'm used to with nowadays that palettes come out with. And the moment that you basically dip in your eyeshadow brush with it, it doesn't come out so vibrant on the eyes. And so one easy fix to pretty much fixing that problem is just wetting your brush, like damping it with like a little spray bottle with water, and you're pretty much good to go with these shades. And it also came with the pressed glitter. I have to admit that pressed glitter was really pretty because it was like a yellow glitter with green sparkles in it. But that pressed glitter really reminded me of the ColourPop pressed glitters. It looked almost exactly like another one, so I would be inserting like a video clip of how similar it looked like. And I just don't really like pressed glitters on my palettes. So what I did here was I reformulated with like different eyeshadows I own, mixed in with like my Profusion glitters and highlighters, and it took a process to do it, but I came up with this light, safe glitter, pretty much a glitter topper. It's not so out there, but it's enough to basically layer it on safely into your eye, and it's not going to be such a huge deal having worries of my eye safety. So that's one. And yeah, so I pretty much used almost all of the shades, not everything. Like I haven't used this one, I haven't used this copper one, so I can't really tell like how those would be performing. But I would also be inserting brush swatches of all of the shades in the back of my hand, so you would be seeing that somewhere right now as I'm talking. And yeah, so as well, like in the back of the palette, it did come with eye safety warnings of pressed pigments that are not safe for your eyes. And so as I go through it, the shades that they said was not safe was called Orange Sky, Sunset View, and Maroon Island. And so it would be, okay, so it would be like everything that I marked is the this one, and this one. And for some reason, in the back of the palette, they didn't include the pressed glitter as being safe for your eyes. So that's kind of like a really like a big mishap for Morphe. Like, I didn't find it anywhere in the box. And I know everyone has a right of what they could put in their eyes, but I think it's wise if Morphe did put in that, what was it? That sunburst is not eye safety. That it's not that's not eye safe. So that's pretty much my brief little review of this beautiful palette. I really recommend it. I really had fun playing with different shades and like creating light transitions with these bright shades right here. And yeah, so pretty much I will end this video, and I would be showing in the next few clips of my 3 looks, and I hope that you enjoy watching it. And thank you for watching. God bless. And give this video a like if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye. No problem. I mean, I'll try my best. Oh, maybe.